going in a magazine or a billboard, I would not suggest using any of these tools for that. What you need to use, if this was going, and you have to be precise, is the pen tool. The pen tool, you click on it, and once again, you are basically tracing the areas of her skin. So you would just basically follow and hold down the Option key to have, on the last anchor, to have more control and direction of where the paths are going. So I'm just going to do a quicker job here. And then I have to remember, I'm going to zoom out to close my path. So I'm not closed. I can see that I'm open at the bottom here. So this is my last anchor point, and this is the first anchor point. So if I click on here, I see the little circle shows up, then I have actually closed my path. So that is my path. If I go into my paths, yes, I have created a word path there. I can even rename these if I want to. Instead of path 1, I could put model there. I have my layer, I have model. And if I want to create an actual mask, you have the button at the top that says mask, and I can create mask. And I'm still selected on the path, so I can deselect off of it. And there is my model. It's a little more precise. I could even remember that I could even add a bit of feathering so it's not so harsh, the lines. Might be a little too harsh. I want to soften it up a bit. So there you go, between this area here, it's not so harsh anymore, the transition. And that's how you would do a layer mask with the pen tool.